Make a PVC banner frame. Advertisements and information regarding an event, project, or activity are often printed on banners. One way to display banners is by putting them in standalone frames. If you often use banners, you can save money by placing the banners in reusable frames. This way, all you need to do is remove the old banner and replace it with a new one. No need to buy a new frame each time. Instead of buying frames, you can make your own banner frame using PVC pipes. It doesn't take long to make, and the materials you need are readily available in your local hardware store. Materials for this PVC banner frame project: you will need the following materials: 1 PVC pipe, 3/4 inch, 8 T-connectors, 3/4 inch, 2 elbow joints, 3/4 inch, PVC cutter or hacksaw, tape measure or yardstick, adhesive for PVC directions. Find out how big your banner is. Take your tape measure or yardstick and get the exact length and width of your banner. To these measurements, add 1/2 to each side. You need this extra 1/2 so you can fasten the banner to your completed PVC banner frame later on. Prepare the PVC banner. Use the measurements you took earlier, with the additional 1/2 added to the dimensions. Cut the pipe with your PVC cutter or hacksaw based on these measurements. Also prepare 2 extra pieces of 2 feet long PVC pipes, as well as 8 pieces of PVC pipes that are 1 foot long each. Attach the T-connectors. Get 4 of the 1-foot PVC pipes. In the center of these 1-foot pipes, place 4 of the T-connectors. Make sure that the empty connector faces the side of your PVC pipe. Attach PVC pipes to the empty connectors. Get a 1-foot pipe and slide this securely into one empty connector. Do this for the other empty connector. Using a T-connector, join the 2 poles. Repeat this procedure for the other poles. Make sure that your T-connector faces upwards. Fasten the longer poles. Get 1 2-foot pole and append this to one upward-facing connector. Do the same for the other 2-foot pole. Attach a T-connector to each pole. Get the PVC pipes that were cut according to the length of the banner. Insert these pipes into the holes found at the pole's sides. Get the PVC pipes that were cut according to the width of the banner. Insert these pipes into the top holes. Attach elbow joints at the top. Connect the remaining PVC pipes by inserting them into the holes. Apply adhesive to the connectors. The adhesive is meant to strengthen and hold the frame. Now you can hang your banner in your PVC banner frame using twine, rope, and other types of tying implements. Reminders: if the PVC banner frame is to be displayed outdoors or in a windy location, make sure to place bricks or other heavy objects at the base of the stand to keep the frame in place. PVC is inexpensive, sturdy, and weatherproof. Making a PVC banner frame is an easy DIY project. If you often use banners for your business or work, the PVC frame above can be used over and over again.